Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today in Affirmations with Alicia, we are going to be focusing on introductions, surrounded by positivity. I want you to build your confidence, feel positive about how you pronounce and how you speak in English. So let's go ahead and get started with affirmation introductions. Okay, so I want you to speak with me. Smile and believe in yourself. You are learning, you are improving, and you can do it. So let's start with our affirmations. Look at the screen and repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I feel confident when I speak. I can introduce myself. My English gets better every day. Hello, my name is. Say your name here. I am from. Say where you are from. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is. I am from. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Alicia. I am from the United States. Nice to meet you. When I introduce myself, I feel happy and proud. I am friendly. I am confident. People like to talk to me. I like meeting new people. What is your name? My name is. Where are you from? I am from. I can speak English. I can introduce myself. I can ask questions. I can speak with confidence. I can do hard things. I am proud of my progress. Practice makes progress. Each day, I am getting better. Each day, my English is improving. I can do it. Great job. You did amazing in this beginner's positive affirmations for introductions. I hope to see you in our next video. And if you feel like a challenge, go ahead and try the advanced affirmations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.